Today class we are going to see about the internal structure of dicot root and internal structure of monocot root. As we know that the difference between the dicot and monocot. Monocot means only one cotyledon is there. Dicotyledon means there is two cotyledon, there is two cotyledon present in the seed. Okay, if you observe the root, the dicot root is taproot system, monocot root is fibrous root system. Okay, now we are going to explain detailedly the internal structure of TS section of dicot root and TS section of monocot root. See the internal structure of dicot root and internal structure of monocot root. TS section of dicot root and TS section of monocot root. The first part is epiblema. Okay, epiblema, it is a outermost layer. Okay, it contains root care. What is the use of root care? Root care, it absorption of water and minerals from the soil. It also protect the inner tissue. Another one important point, the first part of the epiblema, stomata and cortex is absent because there is a root. The stem only present in the stem and leaves present in the stomata and cuticle. Okay, next part is cortex. Cortex is a multi-layered zone. Okay, multi-layered zone with intercellular spaces. It is made up of parenchymatous cell. What is the use of cortex? Cortex main use storing water and food. Okay, next part is endodermis. Endodermis is a endodermis is a innermost layer. It is closely packed. It's parallel shaped. Okay, it parallel shaped. It presents a Casparian strip and passage cells. What is the use of the passage cell? It movement from the minerals from the cortex to xylem. Okay, next part is stele. Stele, it consists of pericycle and vascular bundles. Okay, what is the use of pericycle? The lateral root are originated from the pericycle. Okay, it is a single layer of parenchymatous cell. So another one important point, last vascular bundle. Vascular bundle in dicot is arranged in a radial shape. What is radial? Radial means alternating with each other. Okay, another one important point, the vascular bundle is extra, tetra, extrach and tetra. Extrach means protoxylem towards the outside, metaxylem towards the inner side, and tetrach means the 1, 2, 3, 4. Xylem is present, it is called tetrach. Okay, another one at the same time, internal structure of monocot, it is not extrach and polyarch. Okay, what is the meaning of polyarch? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, many xylem is present, so it is called as polyarch. Okay, another one important point, in vascular bundles, the tissue present between the xylem and phloem is called conjunctive tissue. Okay, next last one, pith. Pith only present in the monocot root. What is the use of this? It present at the center. What is the use of the pith means? It store food. Okay, it store food. So the main difference between the dicot root and monocot root, pith only present in the monocot root. Dicot root, pith is absent. Vascular bundle is different. Dicot root, extrach and tetrach, and monocot root only extrach and polyarch. These are the main difference between the dicot root and monocot root. Thank you.